Here's your part 2 of the NSCAS practice. This story is called The Same Moon. Please read it very carefully and go back into the text as we always do to find your answers. Again, you have your questions up here and your choices, and then you put your answer down below. There are a few two-part questions. Which event in the story is the climax? Remember, the climax is the most exciting part, the biggest problem, the highest point. Here is a part A and a part B talking about figurative language. And then why did they use that type of figurative language in the story? So part A and part B. Here you need to choose two sentences that would be best to include in a summary of the story. The two best. Okay, the best. And only 8 questions. Do your best on this, please. Go back into the text, take your time, do your best.